In this video, we're going to do exercise 2 on would and used to for past habits and repeated actions. Complete the sentences using the verb in brackets with the correct form of used to or would. If both used to and would are possible, use would. I'm going to give the answers straight away, so I would recommend that you pause the video to give yourself time to think about the answers before watching the video. I'm also going to put a link to this exercise in the description of the video so that you can do this exercise yourself on Test English. When I was a child, we used to live. In this context, living is a state, so would is not possible. Back then, we didn't used to have much money. Having money is a state, so would is not possible here. That's why we used to have vegetables and chickens in our back garden. When we use the verb have to talk about having a possession, it's a state verb, so would is not possible here. Every day we would get up very early. Getting up is an action, so would is possible here. Every day we would get up very early and my father would take some eggs for breakfast. Taking eggs for breakfast is an action, so would is possible. The weather in summer used to be really nice. The verb to be is almost always a state verb and is a state verb in this context, so would is not possible. There was a lake near the house and we would go there to have a swim every morning. Going for a swim is an action, so would is possible. Later in the afternoon, my brothers and I would go fishing. Going fishing is an action, so would is possible. And in the evening, my mother would cook whatever we had caught. Cooking is an action, so would is possible. It was fantastic. Winters used to be rather cold. In this context, the verb to be is a state verb, so would is not possible. Every morning I would go to the woods to look for firewood. Going to the woods is an action, so would is possible. There used to be a little fireplace in the house to keep us warm. The verb to be is a state verb here, so would is not possible. In the evenings, my father would tell us incredible stories next to that fireplace. Telling stories is an action, so would is possible. And we would listen full of admiration. Listening is an action, so would is possible here. We were poor, but we used to be happy. Being happy is a state, not an action, so would is not possible here. Okay, let's check our answers. Okay, we got 100%. What percentage did you get? Write a message in the comments. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. I'd like to say a really big thank you to the team at Test English for allowing me to use their material to create videos to put on YouTube. Thank you.